We are going to analyze the stock of Comfort Systems. Now, what is good for the company is that on 9th month comparison from 2024 to 2025, the revenue for the company has jumped by almost 30%. There has been almost 30% jump in revenue for the company, which is a very good thing. And the operating income for the company has also jumped. As a result, net earnings for the company almost doubled. So, overall, on year basis, the company's performance has been really good. Now, the main concern for the company is that the company has high account receivables, that is, the company has amount pending from its customers. So, as a business which is having a revenue of almost $6.5 billion in 9 months of 2025 and account receivables almost 40% of the revenues, this is an area of concern for the company going forward in the future. And thus, this makes the business model and the company risky. Considering this, the market cap of the company seems to be currently higher, and I think the company is overvalued. Thank you.